Let's see what we get for the day in the market today. We still have some time to get our range for the day, so we'll get started soon. Let's get this call loaded up. We are live. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Here's Restream. Let's see if it's working nice today. Are we live? What's good? Cool. What's good, what's good, what's good? We are live. All right, so the range is young. It's only, 37. So, we see some obvious highs here where price can come back to. All right, and again, just on a higher time frame, we see this is still a good long. However, we're going to mark up the charts. We're going to the line chart to start. Line chart to start. Again, we don't have enough data yet to even mark a range. Okay, we have a big push to the upside of already 50 plus pips, right? All this. So this could be a lot of push to the upside. Let's say if we were just looking across the board right now, you have price above this EMA, prices above this EMA, prices above this EMA. So prices above all the EMAs, prices obviously TDI full screen way above the baseline. Okay, we're already starting to float up here into the top band. So instead of thinking where it's going to short, we have to think the other way where this is longing. This is just a type of a fractal where we're going to ride this wave, ride the wave, ride the wave. We're going to ride up that band. Okay, that's how it would work. So again, to hit these highs here. Germany, what's good? We got Germany live in the house. Thanks for joining the call. This is awesome. So again, even our movement to the high. So to the high, about the 30 pips we're going to be looking for if we get into a long. Because right now, your system's preferring a long, right? Price is above all the EMAs. Price is above the baseline on the TDI. It's obviously long. Like, all you have to do is look at it in any time frame. Okay? Let's remove any drawings we have. Just use your eyes with me here. Take a look. So this is a big rally to the upside, okay, on the 1 hour. This sideways movement at the end of the day, it's just creating fractals, right? It's just regular nature. It's just regular movement. We're going to see another big surge like this to the upside. To where? Like we've been showing. To up here. To up here. It could come here, no problem. If it wants to. Look. It's so clean to come up here. Okay? That's a lot. To come up here. I'll show you. I mean, it's to push all the way up there, even to this high. This high is not bad. You have this one, and then you have the ultimate one. So price currently, even just to come to that main high, there you go. There's 400 pips right there. This is old. Get this out of here. Look, just to this, you don't have to look at that super high, but just to this high, which is very realistic. Right, we're looking at 400 pip move just to go there. It's pretty obvious, okay? It just requires a little patience. That's a long-term hold. So back to the 1 hour, back to the 3 minute. Waiting for some more data so we can get a range, an idea of a realistic range. Right now, how does our range look? Right now, from 30 to into 45. Let's get rid of this background. You have a range. Oh, wow, that's 17 pips. So we have already a range of over 15 pips, over 12 pips. So you're going to be on a low leverage trade. If anyone's measuring their pips, let me know. Let me know in the chat. So again, here on 8 cap, we're looking at already a 17 pip range. So again, we have some time. So let's check across the board. Let's see what Owanda's doing. A bunch of randomness. So from 30 to now, same idea. You got 17 pip range. What's FXCM doing? Looks very similar. There's your peak low, there's your peak high, 17 pip range. Look, guys, it's pretty clear. All the brokers, it's a good 17 pip range. Low leverage trade day, no matter what. Unless it like surges one way in the next 3-ish minutes, we're gonna have a low leverage trade day. Okay. So again, the system's preferring along, and that's what we like to see, because when you look at this, it's an obvious long. So we need a few more minutes. Again, look, if price like dumps, you're gonna be at the plus 25 range mark. We're not gonna trade. Okay. Couple more minutes. So we'll zoom in. Let's get a good measurement here. So I got about 19, solid 19 pip range. All right. Let's see if price curls up and this is the peak low, or again pushes down, because your EMA is right here. So again, ideally you would like to respect that, because now you're starting to intersect with this guy. Look, we're crossing. So again, for us to even long, no matter what, if it looks like this is going to be the high no matter what. So the high would be here. This would line up fine. Price would just break through all of this at the same time, and it would be clean. Okay. So we're about to get the close of our range, and we always see a pretty decent move here at the last couple minutes. I'm going to keep this EMA on now because it's the most relevant. Again, look, this is obvious. This is also obvious. So this is the most relevant EMA. We don't need 100 EMAs on here. All right, we're going to close out really soon. Price is falling, so the range is getting bigger. Now we're at 23. We're almost... This guy keeps pushing fast. We're going to have a no trade day. There's a minute. Still a good minute and a bit. A lot of movement going on, so maybe the system keeps us out. Okay. Let's see. And again, let's make sure this is how it is everywhere. If it's going to be big, look across the board. Same thing. Look, 23. We need this to spike up. Okay. Anyone that's paying attention, look. All the brokers are around 23. Now we are coming back up. We're in a 19, almost 20. Guys, let's just make sure it doesn't tank or do anything, you know, really, really fast. But this looks like we're going to close our range like this at a low leverage trade, okay? Because look, here's your 45, so it has to close. Come back to A cap. It's looking okay. Guys, looks like we're going to have this low leverage trade day, all right? So we have 19 pip range. So for the day, okay, we have a low leverage trade. We're going to have our range is a solid, this is called 20 pips, okay? Therefore, live account, risk 3%, prop firm, risk 0.5 to 1% max. Prop firms are tricky. Okay, bring your candles back to life. See that? Still a good minute for that range to close out. See how that range is closed? That's the peak low. Bless you. So that's your peak low. And again, right now we're really only looking to prefer a long. However, if we were looking at some kind of short, look, bring your candles back. You're under. You're going to be under. This guy's pretty low. So we'd have to wait, right? And that's the middle of this. It's pretty juicy. Like, again, it looks long. Doesn't matter how it looks. If we come and do all this and break it and we get the confirmations, we'll short. So for now, let's just leave it like that. Let's see what it does. Because it's obvious if it breaks the high, we're in for a long. Everything else lines up. Okay. So let's see what the market gives us now. Okay. Ideally, we're looking where it would wick the low of this potential range. Look. Okay, we're at the low here. Again, we're preferring to see a break right now above the high. And then we would long, okay? We have to break the high to long. Or vice versa, where you see this yellow EMA down here, we have to break this EMA to short, okay? Nice. All right, nice. So yeah, so everyone's got kind of the same measurement, which is good. All right, so I want everybody to be on the same page. Now, I don't know, unless we can get a decent surge to break this high, to get in before the hour closes, which is what we prefer. It's only good 10 minutes left. How's your 5 look? Kind of identical. 2, 3, your 1. We're starting to get some answers on the 1. Right? So we'll see. Let's come back to the 1 for training. Again, watch your EMA on the 3. See how it's still the same? Oops, sorry. Gbpjpy. So this is your 1 minute. This is your 3 minute. See how that EMA is almost in the same spot? Here it's in the box we've laid out. Here it's slightly above. Okay? So, same thing, because it's measuring what's from behind, right? These previous highs that we've broken. Okay? Yeah, so that looks like that's that big juice candle over there. If you're saying we had a positive news event, that's all this over here, clearly, right? So again, we don't even watch the news. It doesn't really affect our strategy. We're going to either be in or out regardless. However, yeah, that could tell us that there's going to be a big push to the upside. We already see it. And that would be really nice because if it does push up, we're gonna ride that wave. We're gonna catch it. We're gonna ride it, and then it could be a potential great day where we could catch 60 to 100 pips, right? So step 1 is let's get in the trade. Let's hit our 30 pips. And we're going to have the London Open in about 10 minutes. Okay. So a good reason we don't always really watch it is even though the news is, let's say, bullish, it can still do it at once. It can still fake people out. It can still shoot up one way fast and the other way fast, and then choose its final direction. So we want it to just be an ideal day. Hit that high and ride it. Ride the wave. But yeah, that was a great candle over here because it gives us a lot of direction. We'd rather maybe just a pullback like this, but not a true break. Okay, we don't want to see a big break under. TDI right now is already at the base. Okay, look, full screen. We're already starting to break under the market baseline. So we'll have to see. Training purposes, check out the one. We do have some wicks, which is all right. Wick. Look. Some railroad, wick. Just testing the low. Because again, we're not taking any shorts. We're not taking any shorts. Let's see, guys. Let's see what we can get. How is that hour again? Because we're going to approach the new hour soon. Pretty indecisive. Right? Previous hour and one before was really great. 4 hour. 4 hour needs some time. He's confused on ECAP. Again, I see some nice highs we can break. Yeah, we're living in this sideways movement, kind of pushing down after the big pop. So, little dojis, it's not bad. Not terrible. Cool. Again, thanks for joining the call. Thanks for jumping on the call with us. We are waiting. We want to break the high. Remember, here's your range. We just want to break this high. That's all. Just a body break above. When we get that, we'll jump in. Okay. Just a body break above and we're in. Potentially, maybe even before the hour or right at, as the new hour opens. That would be ideal, right? Let's see if we can get a push up. Starting to look good. We like this push. We want to see a strong push to the upside, all right? This would be nice. Check out your one. See how you're building a little base here? Now we want to see it come right out. All right, just like we were saying. And then we can really look to get in right here. Boom. Back to the 3. We live on the 3 minute, right? We're going to enter on the 3. Our TDI is already going to be, look, at right now, your TDI is testing the baseline. Right, we've broken the highs, we're riding the wave, we're just getting a nice retracement, healthy, as it curls up. We're going to get in when TDI is around here, okay, when it breaks up, which is perfect. It's going to line up. All the other EMAs, they already line up, right? We know we're way above him. We're going to sit on him and close above. And again, this will cross. Keep this open. This EMA will cross with us and we'll close above, and we'll definitely get right in. This candle's starting to give us some juice. Let's see if it can surge. Again, the London Open is in minutes, okay? We're looking for it to start juicing. It's giving us a nice push. I can see it on a couple different charts, different time frames. We want that new hour to open and give us a lot of upside movement. Okay. Here we go. I like that. So your 5 just closed. Sorry, this broker is so confused. It doesn't understand how to tell time. FXCM, that's way better. So we're closing. Okay. And we can see we're going to break to the upside. Looks really good. Sorry, so back to ECAP. 3 minute, 40 seconds. Yeah, these are good candles. We like this. Okay. This is good. Let this close. Let this give us a lot of life. And we'll jump in. Either like I always say, right before the hour or like right at the open of the hour. That's when you want to see some nice momentum and you want to be able to ride a wave, whether it's to the upside, to the downside. We don't care, obviously. All right, so this candle's about to close in 1 second. So let's see if our next candle can give us a bigger pop, a bigger push. Yeah, we like that. See, 1 minute, it's really nice where we're starting to push up, up, up. We've been retesting the lows a little of our range, right? That's fine. And now we're looking to come right back up. It's been a healthy, light pullback. We're broken above. Everything looks clean. Everything looks clean. Just a little patience. One of these next candles will close with this kind of behavior and we'll get in. Okay? We'll get in. Cool. And we all know how the market is. A new hour. Here's a new hour. All right, guys, we're getting a new hour in 20 seconds. Pay attention. 20 seconds. We are looking for a pop to the upside. Okay? Let's get rid of this. We don't want too much here. Even this EMA is starting to look like it's in the way, but whatever. Look, we might get a nice close here. It's the new hour. It's open. The new hour is open. We're moving. We want it to stay strong, okay? You want this here. Nice cross, okay? Nice cross here on your TDI. You want to hold that and keep pushing. We want to see a surge to the upside. And we'll jump in. It's holding. Here's your 1 minute. 20 seconds to close. Here we come. It's on its way. Remember, we have to wait patiently. This candle's closing in 5 seconds, so maybe the next candle, right? Next candle closes above the high. We're in. Look, this is going to be an example. Not in this trade yet, but we want to be as close to the range as we can. With a nice SL. Okay. Give us some room to breathe. And a good TP. Okay. This is irrelevant right now, so let's delete it. Look, there's still 2 minutes where it needs to close, but it's looking good. It's looking promising. Just wait though, okay? Again, if you're on this call, thanks for joining the call. Thanks for jumping on. It's almost there. It's on its way. Obviously, we may see a little wick. 2 good minutes left. So just be patient, and then we'll look to jump in. But, I mean, yeah, we're really expecting a nice push, guys. Especially out of the 4 hours soon. The 1 hour just closed was nice. It was very nice. Just a little bit more movement, and we're in. Okay, we still have a solid minute. Look, check this guy out. What's he doing? Okay, one more good candle. Give us one more nice candle. Body close. We want a body break above the high of the range here, the dotted line. Okay. This is an example of how we would like our entry. We're not in yet. It's not our real entry yet. So I'll move it to the side. We really need to break out of this EMA, break the high. It'll all happen at the same time and we'll get in. At this point, it doesn't look like a matter of if, just a matter of when. When, it could be in 20 seconds if this candle closes bullish. And if not, we're going to wait for the next candle. 13 seconds, we could see a pop. If we see a pop, get ready. If you're on this call, look, look, look. It's starting to surge. Oh, it's surging. Guys, we're going to get in this. We're in. Get in that. Guys, get in that trade. Get in that trade. Get in that long. Guys, get that long. We're in. All right, let me give you your SL. Okay, we're in this long. We want to pop. We want to see a good pop. We're in the long. What's your SL? Guys, what's our SL? Look at that. 195.604. 195.604. TP. Let's go for our first TP up here. 196.083. 196.083. Let's see a nice long for tonight's trade. This EMA is just in our way. We don't need it. We're in. We're already in. We don't need anything else now. Guys, we're already in the trade. Get in this long. Get in this long. Get in this long, yo. It's a low leverage trade, but get in. Because we have the potential to go for 60 to 100 pips. Okay? Let it go. Let's be patient right now. We're on our way. All right? Look at it go. We want to flip this bread. We want to see it surge. A great 5-minute close. Yep. Great closes. All these time frames closing nicely. 1 hour close is great. This is a nice trade. This is looking good. Okay, we are definitely in this trade. Yep. Oh yeah, this is a nice trade. We're definitely in this. We're gonna see how this goes. It's looking good already. We're in this trade. All right, guys. Imperial FX. We're in a long. It's going well. Guys, you're already in a little bit of profit depending on your broker, right? 7 seconds. Again, this is our big fractal break here. On a lot of time frames, I can see. Look at that. 5, 1, 15, 15. Oh, yeah. Hey, this is clean. This is clean. Come on, give us some love. That would be nice. Some strong closes, some good price action. We are moving. So again, we're just some light retests of the high, okay? And we want to see it continue. Even this is a really ugly type of trend, but look, because ideally this one will probably be trailing it the most. Yeah, this EMA here, 20, it's going to trail it the best, especially here. We really don't want to see some deep pullback into our SL. We want to see it continue, right? Push, push, push. We'll come to the one just so we can check it out. Look, I was showing you this is a little ugly type of trend line, but it still could be relevant. All right, possibly. And you see it break this and come higher. Okay. Couple more minutes for our 5 minute to close. Again, the next 5. We're at some previous highs. We want to just break them. We want to break these. We don't want to see too much push to the downside. All right. So we're in this long. Let's see what it does here as we're kind of in this type of ish trend. There is some money right here too, kind of where our SL is, so we want to be careful. Okay. Let's start building this structure to come back to the upside. 5 minutes going to close soon. Okay. And then back to the 3. 23 seconds. So yeah, your 5 is going to close kind of like a doji. Nothing too aggressive. We want to see that the Gbpjpy stays strong. Okay. Guys, whoever's in this trade, let me know. Let me know if you're in this trade. Who's in this trade? Let me know. Again, we'll come zooming in on the 1. So we like that. Whoever's in this trade, let me know. We are long. We are long on Gbpjpy right now. We're scalping. Here we go. Here we go. We're surging. Look at that. 30 seconds. Let's get this closed. This is a good close. Let's see if within the next 5 or maybe, we'll go into past the 15 if we can push all the way. And if not, like normal, we'll monitor the trade from the sideline. Okay. I'll send the call outs in our chat. All right. I'd like to see people are in this trade. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. This trade's looking really clean on, a lot of time frames. We are definitely in this trade. All right. Whether it's a live account, whether you're on a prop firm. Okay. We're on the live account. Some people are on prop firms. A lot of people are on live accounts. That's how we want to trade, okay? We obviously want one nice good trade that we can hit. That's a big wick. Let's see how this next 15-minute closes if we get this break. And then again, depending on where price is at, if we're close to TP, we'll hit it. I can give you guys a setting for the advanced hold, right? 60 to 100 pips. And then again, we'll monitor in the chart on our team, in the team Telegram, and we'll call the updates as the market moves. So this closes now. That's a good close. Let's get this arrow out of the way. We were just, giving some examples, but it played out well so far. We just need to break above. We have to respect the EMA, respect the high of the range. We'll see another 3 minute, which will then close out our 15, see where it takes us. And so far our trade is looking okay. We want to get into profit though. We're not really in profit at all. Most days, obviously, when the trade's successful, we're going to go right into profit. It's looking good so far, especially if this candle closes the way it looks like it will. We got 20 seconds, okay? Starting to turn around. Ooh, we're pushing down. This is a 1 minute? Yeah, it's fine. We want to see how this 15 closes. That's what we're talking about. We want this break. This is the big fractal break. Once that happens, you're going to see a nice push. Our pullback, we don't want too deep of a pullback. So 2 more minutes. Let's see what happens here. 2 more minutes. Where's our... There he is. It's sharp. Sharp movement. It's sharp. Now your 15 is now going to look like a type of a pin bar. We don't love that. This is a big... Guys, we're going to get out. We're going to peace out, yo. Peace out on the trade. We're out. Sorry, guys. It looked great, but market's moving too fast. Get out of this trade. We'll be back tomorrow, same time.